It's 2022, and we know that you are up again for another New Year's resolution that you want to achieve this year. We bet that some of those goals would be staying fit and obtaining a healthy lifestyle. Keep on watching, because in today's video, Natural Education will give you the 5 benefits of one of the awesome diets that you can follow to stay healthy all year round. The Mediterranean diet, practiced in countries surrounding the Mediterranean Sea, such as Spain, Italy, and Greece. It originated from Crete, an island in Greece, and is also known as the heart of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is focused on the consumption of whole grains, vegetables, fish, beans, and olive oil as a source of healthy fats. It is commonly partnered with wine as a beverage and nuts and legumes as desserts or snacks. The Mediterranean diet is still used by Cretans, explaining why they gained records for having a higher life expectancy rate than other nationalities around the world. According to the study, 81 years is the lifespan of Cretans, and it's proven by their focused attention on their overall health. Experts say that a Mediterranean diet is not just a simple diet like keto or low-fat diets. It is a lifestyle. Besides including healthy foods, the Mediterranean diet also pays attention to the pleasure of eating. It is often done with family members or friends, with the goal of enjoying the food and refraining from any distractions while eating. If you want more health tips and facts that will help you realize your fitness goals this year, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss the content that we upload every single week. Let's jump into the 5 benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Number 1. Weight loss. People generally go on a diet to maintain their weight and practice a healthy lifestyle. The Mediterranean diet is one of the best diets that you can turn to if you want to shed some pounds. The Mediterranean diet can help you lose weight fast because of its extreme focus on whole, fresh foods, vegetables, beans, and nuts. This claim is supported by an analysis of the Spanish pre-dimed trial published in the journal The Lancet, Diabetes and Endocrinology in 2016. According to the data, the consumption of a high-calorie, unrestricted Mediterranean diet high in unsaturated vegetable fat resulted in more weight loss and reduced the participants' waist circumference compared to a low-fat diet. So if you're planning to stay fit without counting your calorie intake, you might want to switch to the Mediterranean diet. Number 2. Lower risks of heart disease. The Mediterranean diet helps in preventing cardiovascular disease by improving the blood lipid profile. It reduces triglycerides and low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol. It also decreases the oxidation of lipids and the risk of thrombosis. Experts say that eating the Greek way can boost glucose metabolism, avoid blood clotting, and trim fats. A 2014 study on dietary patterns, Mediterranean diet, and cardiovascular disease found out that the Mediterranean diet is as effective and feasible a tool for the prevention of CVD. According to the 2013 pre-dimed study, the Mediterranean diet has a significant role in the prevention of CVD. Over 7,000 participants who were at high risk for heart disease followed a calorie-unrestricted Mediterranean diet, and they showed a 30% lower risk of heart events. Number 3. Mitigated cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. As the Mediterranean diet lowers the risk of heart diseases, it eventually boosts your brain health by promoting proper blood circulation and providing the needed nutrients. According to a review published by the journal Frontiers in Nutrition in 2016, following the Mediterranean diet suggested encouraging evidence in improved cognition. It is proven to help in slowing down cognitive decline and reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease later in life. A small study in 2018 also supported this claim, as the brain scans of 70 people who had no signs of dementia showed their eating patterns were closely associated with the Mediterranean diet. It means that the participants followed a diet that is rich in fish and vegetables, healthy fats, and less red meat. Despite the promising benefits of the Mediterranean diet in improving cognitive function, experts say there are still more studies needed before they could fully recommend the Mediterranean diet to people with Alzheimer's disease. Do you have other health issues and ideas you want us to make videos about? Share them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your suggestions. Number 4. Managing type 2 diabetes. Based on an Attica study, adherence to the Mediterranean diet was linked to insulin levels and better insulin resistance index. It also manifested improved fasting glucose homeostasis and better glycemic control that reduced the risk of diabetes complications. Studying the same pre-dimed participants, researchers randomly selected 118 non-diabetic people ages 55 to 80. They followed up on them for 4 years and found that the participants who practiced the Mediterranean diet had a 52% lower risk of type 2 diabetes. They did not necessarily lose weight or exercise more, but only adhered to a diet that supplemented vegetables with olive oil and nuts instead. More clinical trials had also proven that the Mediterranean diet improved blood sugar control in managing type 2 diabetes. Researchers suggest that it is more effective than a low-carbohydrate carbohydrate, low glycemic, and high protein diets. Same with the positive findings in Alzheimer's disease. Experts say that long-term studies still must be conducted to evaluate the efficacy of the Mediterranean diet in people with diabetes. Number 5. Prevention of cancer. According to a 2019 review on cancer and Mediterranean diet, the nutrients found in foods that compose the Mediterranean diet, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and olive oil, contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory nutrients that fight cell degeneration. The positive effects of the Mediterranean diet may be attributed to high polyphenol concentration in vegetables, nuts, wine, and olive oil. The anti-inflammatory capacity of these foods protects the cell membrane from metastasis and decreases the proliferation of cancer cells. Studies reviewed in 2017 suggest that the Mediterranean diet reduces the risk of colorectal and breast cancers. Based on a study published in 2015, women who supplemented their Mediterranean diet with extra virgin olive oil had a 62% lower risk of breast cancer than those in the control group that ate a low-fat diet. There you go. A Mediterranean diet will definitely help you not only in staying fit and healthy, but also in avoiding serious diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and cancer. If you find this video motivating, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with your friends as well. See you again on our next Natural Education Story.